So if you like this video, go on ahead and show that like button some love. And if you want to see even more from me, go on ahead and give that subscribe button some love too. Hit that bell while you're at it to make sure you don't miss any new videos. And don't forget to share this video on all of your favorite social media hangouts. If you'd like to further support my channel, Artwork and Wellbeing, make sure to pop on over to my Patreon and Ko-fi pages. You'll get all kinds of goodies with the former, and the latter is especially great for those of you who are more comfortable with a fast and easy one-time tip. You guys can also find me on Tumblr and Instagram with the same Mr. Grey 3000 handle. I pretty much post almost all of my creative work to these places, so if you can't get enough of it, make sure to follow me there. By the way, you might have noticed a comic or two while scrolling through my profiles. That's TUMBLR, a science fantasy webcomic that chronicles the day-to-day experiences, exploits, and adventures of a heroic group of mages stationed in the ancient wizarding palace known as the titular TUMBLR. Join them as they defend their lush moon home of Oral Bluemouth from a myriad of dastardly threats as they also try to live their normal lives. I'm very passionate about this, folks, so I'd really appreciate it if you could check it out on Tapas and Webtoon and add it to your libraries. Alright folks, have a good one, and take care.